this is Twisted Tech. Today I'm going to do a follow-up on the battery test that I did in the last video. As you can see in the last video, I showed you this graph where I had no battery saving apps installed using the default configuration with Wi-Fi on, Bluetooth connected to my Pebble, and always on display turned off. As you can see, the standby time is not so great. I had a total usage of 1 day 8 hours and the screen on time is 2 hours 54 minutes. And this is at 14%. These are the apps that I used. So what I did next was install Greenify and Hibernate app. I greenified all the apps other than my messaging application and Gmail, where I need an instant notification as soon as I get new messages and emails. And I greenified and hibernated all the other apps. I excluded the Greenify and Hibernate in the alternative apps as well. Then I turned on the CPU limiter on the Hibernate app, and let's see how the graph is now. This was my first screenshot at 89%. As you can see, I had total usage of 4 hours 38 minutes and the screen usage is 38 minutes. These are the apps that I used. This is after 75%. As you can see, the graph is a little better compared to the previous one. The total usage is 10 hours 3 minutes and the screen on time is 1 hour 47 minutes. And these are the apps that I used. And this is at 60%. The total usage here is 19 hours 29 minutes and the screen on time is 1 hour 54 minutes. This was mostly on standby. So this compared to the previous screenshot, there was like a 15% difference for a 9 hour standby and 20 minutes of screen on time. This is at 37%. And these are the apps that I used. As you can see, the battery usage is way better than before installing the Greenify app and the Hibernate app. Here I already got almost 3 hours of screen on time with still 37% left in my phone. This is at 14%. The total usage is 1 day 4 hours and the screen on time is 3 hours 57 minutes. To verify this, I did another day with the same settings, with the same apps installed, and everything still the same. And this is at 89%, where it's all standby, and the standby drain is, and this is halfway through, which is 22 hours 5 minutes of total usage, and the screen usage is 1 hour 48 minutes. And these are the apps that I used. This is at 3%. Don't mind the screenshot saying 19%. I forgot to take a screenshot then. As you can see, the total usage here is 1 day 15 hours and the screen on time is 3 hours 30 minutes. And these are the apps that I used. So with these 2 days of usage, I can safely say that installing Greenify and Hibernate actually helps improve your battery life. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video about Greenify and Hibernate, how to install and configure them. I'll do a follow-up video on this once I find a solution. I'll leave all the images down in the description below. Please comment, subscribe, share and like. Thanks. Have a good one.